So we busted a munch on the mac and cheese with the brisket.
Pretty good.
It got 8.
It used to be the ESPN Club, and they had really good food, and they had like 1,000,000 TVs in there, so you could watch like all of the ESPNs, even the Ocho. And then now they're turning it into a
Cake bake.
Cake bake. It'll be a cake shop.
They're gonna make some money regardless.
The ESPN Club seems like it would be better, right?
We had some BoardWalk ice cream last night, and I murdered it pretty fast.
Yeah, you had a vanilla shake. I had a chocolate shake. Shake was good. That's the yacht club over there. That hotel. That right there. That's their slide. You get in it right there, and you ride all the way to the pool on it. It's the best slide in Disney for sure.
That's the man right there.
We need a volunteer.
I'm from Amarillo, Texas, man. Made it out here to Florida. Very blessed, very thankful.